are doing exhaust on the Corolla GR. Bought an exhaust from MBRP quite a while ago, actually. Haven't even opened it yet, but very excited to get this thing on here. That's today's project. Oh yeah, block off plates. Sweet. Yeah, it's fine. Exhaust tip. All right. That sounds super good. Nailed it. MBRP, you guys did a great job on this exhaust. It is noticeable inside the cab, but it is not drony. It's not uncomfortably loud. We've tried so many different exhausts on different cars. Because I want to hear a little more engine noise. I want to have some fun, right? I want to feel the fun. But it's so hard to get that balance just right, where you can tell there's something going on. It's a little louder, it's fun, but it's not too loud inside or too drony inside. Like this is perfect. It's been 2 minutes, but still, like, holy smokes. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this car is so fun to drive anyway, but this just took it a step up. Dude, Brooke, you're gonna love this thing, I think. and we're done.